8 foods that may help reduce nocturia. Do you find yourself waking up frequently during the night to use the bathroom, leaving you feeling exhausted the next day? You might be surprised to learn that the foods you eat could be contributing to this problem, known as nocturia. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 foods that can help reduce frequent nighttime urination. Stay tuned, as the number 1 food on our list is a real game changer. 1. Bananas. Bananas are a great source of essential nutrients that can help improve your sleep quality. Potassium, a key mineral, helps regulate fluid balance in the body. By controlling sodium and water levels, potassium reduces water retention, leading to less frequent nighttime urination. Magnesium, another important nutrient, promotes muscle relaxation, including the bladder muscles. This relaxation reduces unnecessary contractions, minimizing the urge to urinate. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in the production of serotonin and melatonin, 2 vital compounds that enhance sleep quality. Maintaining fluid balance. Potassium in bananas helps reduce fluid retention in the body, preventing excessive urine production. Relaxing the bladder. Magnesium helps stabilize bladder function, reducing unnecessary contractions and making you less likely to feel the urge to urinate at night. Improving sleep. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce melatonin, the sleep hormone, promoting deeper sleep. It's best to enjoy bananas in moderation. Consuming too many bananas can lead to excess potassium, which may affect kidney function if you have any related health conditions. Avoid overripe bananas. Overripe bananas contain a high amount of natural sugars, which can cause blood sugar spikes and increased urination. For optimal benefits, it's recommended to eat bananas about 1 to 2 hours before bedtime to allow your body to absorb and utilize their nutrients effectively. 2. Cranberries. Cranberries are packed with nutrients and important compounds including proanthocyanidins, PHACs. These powerful antioxidants help prevent bacteria, such as E. coli, from sticking to the walls of the bladder and urinary tract. This can reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, a common cause of frequent urination at night. Vitamin C. The vitamin C in cranberries boosts your immune system and creates a slightly acidic environment in your urine, which can inhibit bacterial growth. Anti-inflammatory compounds. Cranberries are rich in other antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation in the bladder and urinary tract, minimizing irritation that can lead to frequent urination at night. Cranberries can help protect your bladder health in several ways. Their packs help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which often cause frequent nighttime urination. Cranberries also have anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe an inflamed bladder, reducing the urge to urinate frequently. Additionally, the antioxidants in cranberries protect the bladder from damage caused by free radicals, contributing to overall bladder health. It's important to use cranberries and cranberry juice in moderation. Consuming too much can lead to stomach upset or diarrhea due to the high acid content. Choose sugar-free options. Sugar found in many commercial products can irritate the bladder and increase nighttime urination. Timing is key. For optimal benefits, it's best to consume cranberry juice or cranberries in the evening, about 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If you're taking blood thinners, please consult your doctor. Cranberries can interact with blood thinners like warfarin. 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutritious and wholesome grain that offers several benefits for overall health, particularly for bladder health. It is rich in soluble fiber, specifically beta-glucan, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. This fiber helps regulate bowel movements, reducing constipation, a common cause of bladder pressure and nighttime urination. Oatmeal also contains complex carbohydrates, which help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes or drops that can contribute to increased urine production. Magnesium, a mineral found in oatmeal, has a relaxing effect on muscles, including the bladder muscles, which can help reduce spasms and nighttime urination. Additionally, oatmeal provides a small amount of protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, contributing to overall well-being. Oatmeal can help with digestive support and reduce bladder pressure. Constipation often puts pressure on the bladder, leading to frequent urination, especially at night. Oatmeal, rich in fiber, improves bowel movement, alleviates constipation, and reduces bladder pressure. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels. When blood sugar rises, the body produces more urine to eliminate excess sugar. Oatmeal, with its low glycemic index, helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing nighttime urination. Lastly, the magnesium in oatmeal helps relax bladder muscles, allowing the bladder to hold urine for longer periods and reducing the need to wake up for bathroom breaks. Opt for whole grain oats. Avoid instant oats with added sugar or other additives, as sugar can irritate the bladder and worsen nighttime urination. Don't overdo it. While oats are beneficial, consuming too much in one sitting can lead to indigestion or bloating, affecting your sleep. Timing is key. Enjoy your oats in the evening, about 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, allowing your body to fully digest and absorb the nutrients. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt offers a range of benefits for bladder health. Probiotics, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, help balance the gut microbiome and strengthen the immune system, which can positively impact the bladder and reduce the risk of infections. Calcium and magnesium, both found in yogurt, contribute to muscle relaxation, including the bladder muscles. Calcium also helps maintain the stability of smooth muscles in the bladder, reducing unnecessary contractions. The protein in yogurt provides sustained energy, minimizing bladder irritation at night. Some yogurts are fortified with vitamin D, which can reduce inflammation and support bladder function. Yogurt, with its probiotic content, can help balance your gut bacteria and reduce urinary tract infections. This can also help alleviate bladder inflammation and irritation, potentially reducing nighttime urination. Calcium and magnesium in yogurt can relax bladder muscles, reducing spasms, particularly beneficial for those with overactive bladders. Yogurt, especially unsweetened varieties, can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing excessive urine production. Opt for plain yogurt without added sugar or artificial flavors. Sugar and artificial sweeteners can irritate the bladder, potentially counteracting the benefits. Choose the right yogurt. For those with lactose intolerance, select almond or coconut milk-based yogurt containing probiotics. Enjoy in moderation. Consuming approximately 100 to 150 grams of yogurt daily is sufficient to reap its benefits without exceeding your nutritional needs. 5. Cherries. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, are a rich source of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep cycles. Melatonin can improve sleep quality and reduce nighttime awakenings due to frequent urination. Cherries also contain powerful antioxidants such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation in the bladder and urinary tract, alleviating irritation that may lead to frequent urination. Vitamin C in cherries not only boosts the immune system, but also creates a slightly acidic environment in urine, inhibiting bacterial growth. Cherries are also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and reduces constipation, a factor that can put pressure on the bladder. Cherries can help you achieve deeper, more restful sleep. The melatonin in cherries helps regulate your sleep cycle, promoting deeper sleep and reducing nighttime awakenings. Cherries can also help reduce bladder inflammation. Bladder inflammation or irritation in the urinary tract can increase the urge to urinate. The antioxidants in cherries reduce inflammation, supporting a more stable bladder function. Cherries can also help control urinary frequency. With their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, cherries can help your bladder retain urine for longer periods, reducing nighttime urination. Choose the sugar-free option. Avoid juices or dried cherries that have added sugar, as sugar can irritate the bladder and increase nighttime urination. Moderate consumption. While cherries are beneficial, consuming too many can cause bloating or indigestion due to their high fiber content. Allergic considerations. Some individuals may be allergic to cherries. If you have a history of fruit allergies, exercise caution when consuming them. Timing. It is recommended to consume cherries or cherry juice 1 to 2 hours before bedtime to allow the melatonin and other compounds to work most effectively. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with essential nutrients and compounds that can benefit your urinary health. They are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the bladder and urinary tract. Magnesium, another important mineral found in pumpkin seeds, helps relax muscles, including those in the bladder, reducing spasms and improving bladder control. Zinc, which supports a healthy immune system, can help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, a common cause of nighttime urination. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that is converted into serotonin and then melatonin, which can improve sleep quality. Finally, the fiber in pumpkin seeds aids digestion and reduces constipation, a factor that can put pressure on the bladder and increase nighttime urination. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants possess anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the bladder, reducing irritation and urinary frequency. Magnesium found in pumpkin seeds helps relax bladder muscles, minimizing unnecessary contractions, improving bladder capacity, and reducing nighttime urination. Zinc and fatty acids contribute to the health of the bladder lining, enhancing overall bladder function. Choose unsalted or unflavored varieties. Salted or flavored pumpkin seeds can be high in sodium, which can lead to water retention and increased bladder pressure. Avoid overindulging. Consuming too many pumpkin seeds at once can cause indigestion or bloating due to their high fat and fiber content. Timing is key. It's best to enjoy them in the evening, but at least 1 to 2 hours before bedtime to allow your body time to digest and absorb the nutrients. Be mindful of allergies. Some people may experience mild allergies to pumpkin seeds. If you haven't tried them before, start with a small amount. 7. Apples. Apples are packed with essential nutrients and compounds that can benefit your bladder health. They are rich in soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which aids digestion and reduces constipation, a common factor that can put pressure on the bladder and lead to nighttime urination. Apples also contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the bladder and reduce irritation, thus decreasing the urge to urinate frequently. Vitamin C, another key component of apples, strengthens the immune system and helps protect the urinary tract from infections, a common cause of nighttime urination. The natural fructose in apples provides sustained energy without causing sudden blood sugar spikes, preventing excessive urine production. Lastly, apples contain a moderate amount of natural fluids, helping maintain hydration without overloading the bladder. Apples can help alleviate bladder pressure by improving digestion and reducing constipation, which in turn can decrease nighttime urination. The quercetin and antioxidants in apples possess anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the bladder, enhancing its ability to hold urine for longer periods. Apples' natural sugars and fiber contribute to stable blood sugar levels, preventing the increased urine production associated with high blood sugar. As apples are stimulant-free, they are a suitable evening snack that won't disrupt your sleep. Keep the peel on. Most of the antioxidants and fiber are concentrated in the apple's peel. Therefore, it's best to wash and eat the apple with the peel on. Choose organic apples. Apples are often sprayed with pesticides, so it's best to choose organic apples or wash them thoroughly before eating. Don't eat too many. Eating too many apples can cause indigestion or increase the amount of natural sugar in your body, affecting your energy levels and sleep. Timing is key. Eat an apple in the evening, about 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, to allow your body to absorb the nutrients without affecting your sleep. 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients and beneficial compounds that can help support bladder health. Magnesium in sweet potatoes helps relax muscles, including the bladder muscles, reducing unwanted contractions and promoting better bladder control. Potassium helps balance fluids in the body, reducing water retention and decreasing nighttime urination. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, and polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties and protect the bladder lining from irritation and inflammation. Their low glycemic index helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the amount of urine produced when the body eliminates excess glucose. The high fiber content in sweet potatoes improves digestion, reducing constipation, which can put pressure on the bladder and increase nighttime urination frequency. Sweet potatoes offer a range of benefits for bladder health. Their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help protect the bladder, reducing irritation and the urge to urinate frequently. The magnesium in sweet potatoes soothes bladder muscle spasms, allowing you to hold urine for longer periods. Sweet potatoes also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes or drops that can lead to increased urination. Finally, the fiber in sweet potatoes supports digestive function, reducing constipation and abdominal pressure, which can contribute to nighttime urination. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious food, but it's important to enjoy them in moderation. They are high in carbohydrates, so consuming too much can lead to bloating or increased blood sugar levels if not managed. Avoid adding extra sugar or syrups, as these can irritate the bladder and increase nighttime urination. For optimal digestion, it's best to eat sweet potatoes in the evening, but at least 2-3 hours before bedtime to avoid disrupting your sleep. If you have kidney issues, you may need to limit your potassium intake, so it's advisable to consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes offer a range of health benefits. They are rich in potassium and antioxidants, which can help lower blood pressure and protect your heart health. Beta-carotene and vitamin C contribute to a strong immune system. Vitamin A, derived from beta-carotene, supports healthy skin and vision, helping to combat the effects of aging. Sweet potatoes are also low in calories and high in fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing cravings, making them a great addition to a weight management plan. Incorporating these 8 nutrient-rich foods into your diet can help you combat nocturia, leading to more restful nights and improved days. Which of these foods are you most eager to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from better sleep. Let's work together to achieve healthier, more peaceful nights. Thank you for watching, and may you wake up feeling refreshed every morning.